tilde. Discover comfort and convenience at City Comfort in Chongqing Daping Shidai Tianjie. Welcome to City Comfort in Chongqing Daping Shidai Tianjie, a charming two-star hotel located in the vibrant city of Chongqing, China. With its prime location and excellent amenities, this hotel offers a comfortable and convenient stay for both business and leisure travelers. Check-in at City Comfort in Chongqing Daping Shidai Tianjie begins at 2 p.m., allowing you to settle in and start enjoying your stay right away. The friendly and attentive staff will be there to welcome you and ensure a smooth check-in process. When it comes to checking out, you have until 12 p.m. to bid farewell to this cozy retreat. Take your time to savor your last moments in the hotel before continuing your journey. Please note that City Comfort in Chongqing Daping Shidai Tianjie has a child policy in place. While children are welcome to stay, there may be extra charges involved. The hotel's dedicated team will be happy to provide you with all the necessary information regarding these charges, ensuring a hassle-free stay for you and your little ones. City Comfort in Chongqing Daping Shidai Tianjie offers a range of comfortable and well-appointed rooms, designed to cater to the needs of every traveler. Whether you're traveling alone or with a group, you'll find the perfect accommodation option to suit your preferences. Each room is thoughtfully furnished and equipped with modern amenities to ensure a relaxing and enjoyable stay. Conveniently located in the heart of Chongqing, this hotel provides easy access to the city's top attractions, shopping centers, and dining establishments. Whether you're here for business or leisure, you'll find yourself in close proximity to everything the city has to offer. Experience comfort and convenience at City Comfort in Chongqing Daping Shidai Tianjie. Book your stay today and create lasting memories in the beautiful city of Chongqing, China. Convenience at your fingertips. City Comfort in Chongqing Daping Shidai Tianjie's facilities. City Comfort in Chongqing Daping Shidai Tianjie offers a range of convenience facilities that will make your stay in Chongqing, China, a breeze. With services like laundry service, daily housekeeping, and a laundromat, you can keep your clothes fresh and clean throughout your trip. Whether you need to wash a few items or do a full load, the hotel's laundromat is equipped with modern machines to ensure efficiency and convenience.